Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. Let's jump straight into pricing. LocalWP uses a freemium pricing model that's especially attractive to developers, designers, and agencies working with WordPress locally. The core version of LocalWP is completely free to use, allowing you to create unlimited local WordPress sites on your computer without paying anything. This free tier already includes most of what solo developers and learners need, including local site creation, PHP and MySQL configuration, SL support, and database access. Paid plans are offered mainly for advanced workflows, such as cloud backups, collaboration features, and team tools, and are billed monthly or annually. From a pricing standpoint, LocalWP focuses on lowering the barrier to entry while monetizing productivity and team convenience rather than basic functionality. For comparison, Kinsta operates on a premium, subscription-based pricing model focused entirely on managed WordPress hosting. There is no free tier. Pricing scales based on traffic, resources, and features, positioning Kinsta as a professional hosting solution rather than a development tool. So while LocalWP is about free local development with optional upgrades, Kinsta is about paid, production-ready infrastructure. Now let's talk about what LocalWP actually does. LocalWP is a local WordPress development environment that lets you run WordPress sites on your own computer instead of a live server. With just a few clicks, you can spin up a new WordPress site, choose your PHP version, configure the web server, and start developing instantly. This makes LocalWP ideal for theme development, plugin testing, staging environments, and experimentation without risking a live website. LocalWP supports advanced features such as site cloning, environment switching, database access, and live links for sharing local sites temporarily. Developers can easily switch between PHP versions, enable debugging, and test compatibility across different setups. It also integrates well with version control workflows, making it easy to develop locally and deploy later. Another advantage of LocalWP is how confidently it encourages experimentation. Because everything runs locally, developers can break things, test risky updates, and explore new plugins or themes without fear of downtime or user impact. This makes it especially valuable for agencies and freelancers who manage multiple client sites and need a safe sandbox before pushing changes live. Another major strength is ease of use. LocalWP abstracts away complex server configuration, allowing users to focus on WordPress itself. Designers and beginners can work visually, while developers can dive deeper when needed. Performance is fast because everything runs locally, and there's no dependency on internet speed. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, LocalWP is fast, easy to use, and extremely accessible with a generous free tier. It's perfect for development, testing, and learning WordPress safely. On the downside, LocalWP is not a hosting solution. Sites are not live by default, and additional steps are required to deploy to production. Collaboration features require paid plans, and it doesn't replace the need for a reliable hosting provider. Still, as a local development tool, LocalWP excels at what it's designed to do. Now let's move on to Kinsta, which plays a completely different role in the WordPress ecosystem. Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress hosting platform built for performance, security, and scalability. Unlike LocalWP, which runs sites locally, Kinsta hosts live websites on cloud infrastructure powered by Google Cloud. This makes it suitable for production websites, high traffic blogs, businesses, and mission-critical WordPress projects. Kinsta offers features such as automatic daily backups, server-level caching, free CDN integration, SSL certificates, staging environments, malware scanning, and advanced security protections. Performance is one of Kinsta's biggest selling points. Sites are optimized at the server level, and users don't need to manage caching plugins or complex configurations. Everything is designed to be fast out of the box. Another benefit of Kinsta is peace of mind, because updates, security hardening, and infrastructure optimization are handled at the platform level. Site owners spend far less time troubleshooting performance or server issues. This is especially valuable for businesses where downtime directly impacts revenue or reputation, while the cost is higher than basic hosting. Many users see Kinsta as an investment in stability, speed, and expert support rather than just a place to host files. This hands-off reliability allows teams to focus on content, marketing, and growth instead of server maintenance or technical firefighting. Kinsta also provides a custom dashboard that simplifies site management. Users can deploy staging sites, monitor performance, manage backups, and handle migrations without touching server code. Developer-friendly tools include SSH access, Git support, WPCLI, and PHP version control. This makes Kinsta appealing to both technical teams and non-technical business owners. For growing websites, this reliability becomes increasingly important as traffic scales. Kinsta's infrastructure is designed to handle sudden spikes without manual intervention, reducing the risk of slowdowns or outages during campaigns, launches, or viral moments. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, Kinsta delivers excellent speed, reliability, and support. The platform is hands-off, secure, and optimized for WordPress at scale. It's ideal for businesses that want to focus on content and growth rather than server management. On the downside, Kinsta is expensive compared to shared hosting, and it only supports WordPress. There's no email hosting, and pricing can increase as traffic grows. In terms of ratings, both LocalWP and Kinsta generally receive positive feedback, but Trustpilot data may be limited or inconsistent depending on user type. Ratings should be treated as general sentiment rather than definitive evaluation. Final takeaway: choose LocalWP if you want a free, fast, and safe way to build and test WordPress sites locally. Choose Kinsta if you need premium managed hosting for live WordPress sites with performance and reliability as top priorities. If this comparison helped, like and subscribe to the channel, and click the link below to access the software and choose the WordPress setup that fits your workflow best.